The as structure shows equality between two things or people. It means both have the same amount of equality. Use this grammar when comparing things that are exactly equal. The basic pattern is as plus adjective or adverb plus as. This shows two things have the same quality or do something equally well. Always use as before and after the describing word. With adjectives, she is as tall as me means both have equal height. This book is as interesting as that one means both books have the same level of interest. Adjectives describe qualities that are equal. Adverbs show equal action. I can eat as much as her means equal eating ability. She ran as fast as me means equal running speed. Mary talks as much as her sister means equal talking amount. With nouns, use as many for countable items like books. I have as many books as her means equal book count. Use as much for uncountable items like money. He doesn't have as much money as his brother. For negative equality, use not as plus adjective or adverb plus as. This book is not as interesting as that one means less interesting. He is not as tall as his brother means shorter height. Practice makes perfect. Complete this sentence. Kevin is as blank as Max. Options are tall, taller, or tallest. Think about which word shows equality between Kevin and Max. The correct answer is tall. Kevin is as tall as Max. Use as plus adjective plus as for equal comparison. Never use taller or tallest with this structure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.